Oh man, I needed the car on the bike, window wipers. Yeah, no. I think I've done enough, I'm not sure, but I gave it 100%, and for me, that's all I can do. And full respect to Al, and Clarky backed it up, and yeah, I just gave it everything. So yeah, the car's coming, guys. No, even know. Thanks for the support.
Thanks, Tim.
Cheers, hey, no worries.
So what was it like when it started? Like the monsoon came upon. What was that like?
Yeah, it was crazy. It was like being flipping up Ben Nevis or something. It was insane. I mean, you come to Madrid and you don't expect weather like that, but yeah, that's racing. And I hung in there as best I could and gave it 100%. And yeah, I came through a little bit at the end, but no, I was just running on pure, I don't know, stumps.
What was it like coming down the finishing straight, knowing you'd sort of made the Olympic selection criteria?
Well, I don't know officially, but if that's not enough, GZ, I'm not sure what it is, but it's yeah, I guess a combination of relief and that's what we train for. And obviously, we had the worst weather conditions, and I still did the job. So yeah, it was tough.